USB Wi-Fi adapters matter for desktop PCs, mini PCs, or laptops lacking reliable onboard wireless or needing a faster, more capable card than stock. They can unlock Wi-Fi 6/6E advantages, improve range with high-gain antennas, and add AP mode for sharing connectivity. Product number 1. TP-Link USB 3.0 Wi-Fi adapter for desktop PC. Archer TX30U Plus AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 Dual Band Plug. The Archer TX30U Plus is TP-Link's high-end USB 3.0 Wi-Fi 6 AX1800 adapter, featuring two high-gain antennas, MU-MIMO, OFDMA, and WPA3 security. It targets users who want desktop-grade Wi-Fi 6 performance in a compact USB dongle with adjustable antennas for better local coverage and a design that emphasizes future-proofing and secure connectivity. The device also highlights TP-Link's commitment to secure by design principles and preloaded drivers for quick setup, with a listed data transfer rate of up to 1800 Mbps. Performance-wise, TX30U Plus benefits from dual-band flexibility and beamforming, which can translate to more stable streaming and gaming in multi-room homes. Real-world throughput on 5 GHz should approach the 1.3 to 1.6 gigabits per second range under optimal conditions, while 4.9 GHz remains pragmatic for everyday web browsing and larger walls. The inclusion of MU-MIMO and OFDMA indicates strong multi-device performance, but actual gains depend on router support and client device compatibility. Its USB 3.0 interface supports higher power delivery and faster bursts than USB 2.0, helping maintain stable connections during peak loads. Product number 2. TP-Link AC600 USB Wi-Fi adapter for PC. Archer T2U Plus, wireless network adapter for desktop with 2.4 GHz. The Archer T2U Plus is TP-Link's classic AC600 dual-band USB adapter, offering 2.4 GHz up to 200 megabits per second and 5 GHz up to 433 megabits per second with a single 5 dBi high-gain antenna and a compact footprint. It targets budget upgrades for desktops or laptops that need 802.11 AC performance without the latest Wi-Fi 6 features. It supports a broad OS range, Windows, Mac, and provides simple setup with a multi-directional antenna that can be aimed toward the router for better reception. In practice, T2U Plus delivers solid everyday performance for web browsing, video conferencing, and light gaming on the 5 GHz band, assuming a reasonable distance to the router. The single high-gain antenna can be rotated for optimal positioning, which is helpful in rooms with interference or unfavorable layouts. However, it lacks the newer security and efficiency features of Wi-Fi 6, no OFDMA or MU-MIMO, and will be more susceptible to congestion in busy households. It remains a good value choice for users with older systems or limited budgets. Product number 3. UGREEN AX1800 Wi-Fi adapter for desktop PC. The UGREEN AX1800 adapter targets Windows 10 and 11 users with built-in drivers and a focus on security, WPA3 SAE, and thermal management via ventilation. It promises AX1800 speeds, 1201 megabits per second 5 GHz, 574 megabits per second 2.4 GHz with USB 3.0 and supports MU-MIMO and OFDMA for better multi-user performance. It also doubles as a potential AP mode device to share internet connectivity. Performance-wise, the AX1800 should deliver robust streaming and gaming on 5 GHz in typical home layouts, with the 2.4 GHz band serving reliability for older devices or walls. The built-in driver simplifies setup, but the lack of macOS and Linux support means users with mixed ecosystems should consider alternative options. The device's cooling holes help sustain performance during longer sessions, reducing thermal throttling risk. However, the product's OS restrictions limit flexibility for users who run non-Windows environments. Product number 4. TP-Link Wi-Fi 6 USB adapter for desktop PC. Archer TX20U Plus AX1800 wireless network adapter with 2.4 GHz. The Archer TX20U Plus is a TP-Link AX1800 USB adapter with dual-band 2.4 GHz/5 GHz, 2 high-gain antennas, and MU-MIMO/OFDMA support. It includes a 1.2-meter USB 3.0 cable for flexible placement and emphasizes enhanced security with WPA3. It sits between premium and mainstream in TP-Link's lineup, designed for users who want solid Wi-Fi 6 performance without the premium price tag of the TX30U Plus. Performance-wise, the TX20U Plus should deliver reliable 5 GHz performance for gaming and 4K streaming in multi-device environments, with 2.4 GHz providing dependable fallback connectivity. The MU-MIMO and OFDMA features help reduce congestion when multiple devices are active. The included 3.0 cable aids installation in desktops with limited clearance, though the absence of some of the higher-end security features of the TX30U Plus might be a trade-off for price. Driver support remains Windows-centric, so Mac users may need alternatives. Product number 5. TP-Link Nano AC600 USB Wi-Fi adapter, or Archer T2U Nano. 2.4G/5G dual-band wireless network transceiver for PC desktop. The Archer T2U Nano is TP-Link's ultra-compact nano USB adapter offering AC600 dual-band performance and a travel-friendly form factor. It targets users who need a discreet, portable Wi-Fi upgrade with a tiny footprint that can stay plugged in with minimal obstruction. It supports Windows and Mac OS X, with driver installation possible from TP-Link's site if needed. Compared to full-size AX/AC adapters, the Nano emphasizes portability over the latest wireless standards. It achieves up to 600 Mbps total throughput, 200 Mbps on 2.4 GHz, and 433 Mbps on 5 GHz. And includes a USB 2.0 interface in many variants, which may limit power and throughput on newer systems. In real-world use, expect solid general browsing and streaming, but gaming or high bitrate 4K streaming could push the limits, especially in congested networks. It's an excellent budget choice for travelers or secondary